Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. In today's video, we will be checking out this new Hot Wheels A-Case 2024 McLaren Solus GT. Sorry, it's not from the A-Case, sorry. This is from the, I believe, Q case of 2023, but never mind. McLaren Solus GT, and as you can see, this is number 10 out of 10 from Hotwheels Exotics. And just to point you out, last car of the year for 2023, basically, as you can tell, 250 out of 250. So very neat. New casting as the last car of 2023. Overall pretty sick. Let's go ahead and open this up. So again, looks like we got ourselves another great hypercar, basically. And let me talk to you guys through with this car, with its history. So back in the Gran Turismo era, we basically had Gran Turismo Sport, Gran Turismo 6, Gran Turismo 7, and a ton more Gran Turismo games. Basically, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, they had so many VGTs, Vision Gran Turismos, and they are basically known as like a custom design from the official, like their official car brands, and basically they design it, and well, Gran Turismo basically implements their designs and made it into a playable car in a game. Basically, Gran Turismo, of course, they love to add Vision Gran Turismo cars, which is very interesting. So at one point in Gran Turismo Sport, if I'm not mistaken, they people from McLaren, they basically like had the idea to make a Vision Gran Turismo car, and basically they made the design and send it to Polyphony Digital, or also known as Gran Turismo's basically like developer team, basically. So they sent it to them, and basically they had the idea to make a Vision Gran Turismo car, and they accepted it. And up till now, Gran Turismo 7, they already had the car in the game. It's called the McLaren VGT, McLaren Vision Gran Turismo, which is very, very popular car, not gonna lie. It's very nice. And basically there were news in 2023 that a special car from Gran Turismo basically is being made for production in real life, which was the McLaren Solus GT, or also known as the McLaren VGT Vision Gran Turismo. And as of right now, it has been made into a Hot Wheels car. Basically, this car in real life, you wouldn't just simply see it regularly. It is a very, very limited production model. Basically, only like, I don't know, like 10s or 20, I don't know, it's less than 50 definitely. It's like less than 50 were developed. I don't remember what's the exact units available for this car, but I know that's less than 50. So yeah, a very limited car, and very, very expensive. Basically, of course, billionaires will buy the car, and for basically for themselves, and well, for them to like review and so on and so forth. And basically, this is such a crazy car that the fact that McLaren had to do it only a limited production, and well, the only way you can get it is basically by either buying the, I don't know, like the products from Gran Turismo, like they have like bigger scale, not 164 but like 143 or so, like McLaren VGTs are available, if I'm not mistaken. I did see a few. And another way is by buying this, which is the McLaren Solus GT made by Hot Wheels. Now, so far, no other car brand has ever done this, only Hot Wheels. So very, very nice to see that being made, basically as a new casting. And yeah, let's take a look at the car itself. Enough talking, so let's go ahead and see what the car is about. So let's start off from the side. We have some 10-spoke chrome silver rims, which are awesome to see. Very suits the car very well. So of course you have a hypercar, as you can tell. So start off from the back. At the spoiler right here, it says 91 right there, and it's painted in this black color with a gray number 91 right there as well. So yeah, basically plain white on the side of the car, plain metallic white. You have some gray bits right here, basically made for aerodynamics. Basically, like some parts of the car basically have functional like vents for aerodynamics, as you can tell. So some gray bits, like plastic gray bits, which is very helpful, and being made into Hot Wheels, which is nice. Moving down to the front, I do not see the headlights. I'm not sure if the headlights are available in the real car or not, but it's still fine. From the front, it doesn't even look like it's a production model. It reminds me of like a regular fantasy car, basically. Yeah, not too bad. It kind of reminds me of a car named 24 Hours. 24 Hours, sorry, which is from like a Hot Wheels fantasy casting, not gonna lie. So you have like this near to teal type of color stripe from the hood towards the roof. Doesn't continue to the back, so basically doesn't continue to the back, sadly. You have the like McLaren text right there, emblem, whatever you wanna call it, at the front, at the hood part right there. You have the gray front splitter, just if you're wondering, it's plastic by the way, connected to the base. So gray front splitter right here, front bumper, whatever you wanna call it. So you have the interior cockpit, which is like this part right here, which is transparent plastic, and basically just that. If I'm not mistaken, this car should be like a one-seater, or is it two-seater? I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, there's the cockpit. Blacked out interior, just if you're wondering. Let's move on to the side. Here is the side, pretty similar to like just now. You have these hood vents. I mean, not hood vents, sorry. Like rear part vents. I forgot what they're called. But they're kind of shaped like the McLaren logo slightly. Don't know why, but it kind of reminds me of it. Yeah, very cool. There is the vents, which is nice. Let's move on to the back. You have a massive rear spoiler, which is plastic by the way, at the back, right? I mean metal, sorry, not plastic, metal. Massive metal part spoiler right here at the back, which yeah, fully functional, very nice. Metal connected to the sides. So you have two exhaust pipes in the middle right there. Massive rear diffuser right here, which is plastic, of course. You can see the flow right there of the diffusers right here and right here, which is very, very sick. I do really like that. I don't see the rear lights as well for this one, so I'm not entirely sure whether they are available or not. So McLaren Solus GT, made in Malaysia, 2023 Mattel. Overall very sick. Gray interior, gray base, sorry. Grayed out base, which is plastic, very nice. Overall, such a nice looking car. I do really like it. And the first color is basically its base color from the real version. Sorry. Oh my god, sorry. So yeah, it is very sick. White and almost this teal green type of color. Very nice. So yeah, take a look on the turntable one more time. So overall, this is gonna be one of the popular cars because many McLaren fans are gonna chase after this car, basically because it looks great and all, and basically it's more to a limited production model, so not easy to look at, not easy to find, and basically not easy to witness the cars like basically driving around anywhere, basically. Not sure if this is more to a track focused model or basically more to a road legal and track focused car. I'm not sure, but I think it's more to track focused model, car, and not legal for the road, I think. But yeah, overall the car looks very nice. I do really like the color at all, because it's very nice. I mean, it works with the car very well. I am quite excited if they decided to make a VGT like color with it. Maybe the color combo of what's that, liquid silver and orange, if I'm not mistaken, from Gran Turismo. And they hopefully will do that, maybe. So who knows in the future, maybe if they had the idea, who knows, maybe they'll paint the car into that color. But yeah, overall I do really like this car. Soon it's gonna come out again, but in blue, and I believe, I'm not sure if it's a Zamac or is it like a gray color, but yeah, do stay tuned for that. And yeah, there you go, that's my review of the McLaren Solus GT. If you're a fan of McLaren, go ahead and grab this car. Overall, it's such a pretty nice car. And once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.